Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius, fire sign. This is August bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius. Messages for Sagittarius. Messages for Sagittarius. Under the deck, 10 of Pentacles. I think your overall energy is 10 of Pentacles. So Sagittarius, your money is very good, especially your material things coming into your way. There is financial stability. You are creating more money. There is financial stability. Yes. And happiness also. 10 of Cups, wish fulfillment. Relationship wise also and money also. There is a big change is coming, which is very positive. Especially your money is looking very, very good, Sagittarius. Yeah. You will be in this energy going with the flow and living in the present moment. So Sagittarius, reset past, 5 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands and Justice. So in recent past you were disturbed. Maybe you feel rejected. Maybe you feel alone. But later you found your happiness within yourself and you started balance your life within yourself because justice is here. Definitely you are balancing things in your life or you are trying to balance things in your life, and that was past. Then present, 3 of Pentacles, Knight of Wands and Page of Swords. Definitely your total focus is on your money, is on your career, but someone is coming with a lot of passion, but this person is always in and out of your life, or you're thinking about your person which is not with you right now, and that person is always in and out of your life, but you both have a lot of attraction and a lot of passion towards each other. And Page of Swords, maybe you're spying on them on social media, maybe you're checking their WhatsApp, maybe you are checking their Facebook, whatever, but lots of spying is going. Then future, 9 of Wands, Knight of Pentacles and High Priestess. So you are spiritually awakening and you're guarded up, Sagittarius, and your total focus is on your money. You're thinking about how to create more money, maybe right now online or through other options. Yeah, you're working hard towards your financial stability, and someone is coming for you. Maybe this person is in slow moving energy. For some, it could be a brand new person, but you are spiritually awakening, and at the same time, you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition. High Priestess. And for some, you are manifesting something big into your life. So let's clarify. 5 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles clarification, Knight of Cups and 8 of Pentacles. Yeah. And King of Swords. So 5 of Pentacles clarification cards, Knight of Cups, King of Swords and 8 of Pentacles. So you become stubborn. You concentrating on your career because 5 of Pentacles, maybe they rejected you. Even though you have strong emotions towards this person, but you are not expressing, you are not willing to talk to your person, and right now you're concentrating on your career. So then 4 of Wands clarification cards. Yeah, your total focus is on your money because 4 of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, the Hangman and 6 of Pentacles. You are balancing your money. In relationship wise, you're still stuck on this person. You still want new beginnings, but you are not trying. Yes, you are not trying, but you wishing, but there are new opportunities for you, especially in past. From past, you are creating more money. There is financial blessings for you, and Justice clarification cards. Yeah, Ten of Wands, Ten of Cups, and Page of Fool. So yes, you're balancing your life, and because you're feeling overburdened, so you don't want this energy, then you're balancing things in your life, then you will be in full energy, and there was happiness, especially emotional balance. I think you want to be independent, you don't want to be dependent on anyone, Sagittarius. So let's see, clarify. Three of Pentacles, the Magician, Two of Wands, and Wheel of Fortune. Yes, options. You have options, and things will turn into your favor. Definitely something manifesting. You are manifesting maybe relationship. Maybe if you are in separation, you are manifesting your person back. So, but you have options. You are thinking about something a lot. The Knight of Wands clarification cards. Yes, because Knight of Wands, this person is always in and out of your life. That's why you guarded up, because there are some arguments or disturbances between you and your person. And Four of Wands, yes, you want happiness with this person, but there is no clarity from this side. That's why you are guarded up. And for some, you are in twin flame journey. So let's clarify Page of Swords. So Page of Swords, Nine of Cups, Six of Swords, and Knight of Cups. You're spying on them, or they are spying on you. You're wishing for this connection. You still have strong emotions, but you decided to move on. Or right now you don't want to talk with this person. You are concentrating within yourself. You are taking care of yourself. So let's clarify Nine of Wands. Yeah. So Two of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, and Page of Cups. You are fed up with waiting energy. You are juggling. That's why you are guarded up now. But someone is coming with an apology. There is text is coming, random message. So let's clarify Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, you are concentrating on your career, because in relationship wise, Ten of Swords energy, you are tired. Your energy is totally drained, Sagittarius. That's why you are focusing on your money, because Eight of Pentacles, you are working hard to achieving your goals. So let's clarify High Priestess. Yeah, the Hangman, Eight of Swords, and the Devil. Under the deck, Chariot. You are moving on. Yes. So definitely you are moving on from old energy to new energy. There is some transmission or transformation, especially because the Devil, the Hangman, and Eight of Swords, you are stuck totally. That's why High Priestess, you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition. So definitely for some, this person is toxic for you. They keep putting on waiting mode. That's why you started focusing on yourself. You are giving time yourself, and you are taking care of yourself. So let's pull some cards from universe. Your relationship final outcome. The Moon. Definitely manifesting. Someone is manifesting the other person back into their life. So right now, you both thinking about each other a lot, especially your person thinking about you a lot. And there will be some communication will happen between both of you. Some message, unexpected message from your person. And right now, your person also spiritually awakening, Sagittarius. Yeah, you both have a lot of passion towards each other. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Especially Capricorn, Virgo. So still, you both have a lot of passion towards each other. What I'm getting here, you are focusing on yourself. It's your time and transformation in your energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. So thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please do share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.